For hardware connection, you just need to connect a Atem device and the PC and the controller to the switch by 3 different net cable. After that, you need to change their IP address to a same network segment. As you can see, this Atem device is 1.71 and the PC is 1.72 and this controller is 1.73, so they are connected to the same switch and have the same network segment IP address. Press and choose the first option Atem, then input the Atem device IP address 1.71 like this, and then save it. After that, this device will connect to the Atem device and back to the PC. Let's open Atem software, and as you can see, the Atem device we are showing up here. Click this button to open its control software. And right now, the PC and the Atem device and the controller are connected together. This T-bar is used to control the switch, time, and process manually. As you can see,